Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class, and today we'll be continuing our study of this topic, differentiation. And today we'll be looking at the second example on how to use the knowledge of chain rule to find the derivative of certain functions. And in our previous class I told you that if you have a function written like this, y is a function of u and u is a function of x, then you want to find the derivative of y with respect to x, which is denoted by the y dx. The result will be derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by derivative of u with respect to what? X. So this will be the result. So we are going to use this chain rule formula to evaluate this result. So we are going to use this to evaluate this the derivative of this function. So we start by writing solution. So what is given to us, we have that y is equals to sine cos x, right? Sine cos x. So we need to identify this function of x, u of x, right? So what do you have inside the bracket here? What you have inside here is what? Cos x. This is the very function of what? X. That's u of x. This is the very function of x. So, and we are going to call this very function of x, we are going to call it u. So we are going to say let u be equal to what? Cos x, right? That will be your u. Then this implies if u is cos x, that means the whole of this is u. So which means that y will be equals to what? Sine u. Because this is now u. Cos x is u. So if that be the case, then we can use this what? Formula. We can find the derivative of y with respect to u and find the derivative of u with respect to x. So this is our y. Then the derivative of y with respect to u will be equal to, we differentiate y with respect to u. So if this is sine, derivative of, if you differentiate sine, you get what? Cosine. So this will be positive cosine of what? U. Then we need to do the derivative of u with respect to x. Then the derivative of u with respect to x will be equal to, so this quantity is cos x, I called u. Yeah, this is the function of x. So if you differentiate cos x with respect to x, you get what? Negative sine x. Derivative of cosine is what? Negative sine. So this is what you have. We will now use the formula dy dx will be equals to what? Dy du multiplied by du dx. This is the chain rule formula. Then what is dy du? Dy du, we got it to be cosine of u multiply du dx. We got du dx to be what? Negative sine x. Then what is u now? We can put our u. U is what? U is cos x. But here we are having cos u, which is a cos of cos x. So we are going to have cos, then cos x, because u is what? Cos x. So I replace u with cos x. Then multiply by what? Negative sine x. So if you can write it as negative sine x cos x, because this is product, right? This, you are multiplying this and this, so I can write this one first. I can write sine, negative sine first. This gives us the derivative of this very function. Thanks so much for being part of this class. I'm expecting you in our upcoming class. Bye.